This table setup came out so cute for under $25 using Family Dollar items. I'm going to show you all what I used to create this look. I used a tablecloth, a fake skeleton, and some candles that came from the dollar store as well. I like to start off by cleaning up because I don't believe in putting dirt on top of clean. And even though we don't really sit at the table much, the kids sometimes sit there and do different things, and sometimes we might eat there. So I start off by mopping, sweeping, moving all the chairs out the way so I can get in good. Now we're going to open up the tablecloth and put it on. So my table is not fit for this tablecloth. So what I normally do when I mess up like this is fold the sides under so that we have a even look all the way around. So you see me doing that right there. Do not come for my pajamas, y'all. I'm at home with my baby, with my daughter. So now I'm going to put the web on there. This is actually a part of my healing journey and just a part of becoming the woman that I want to be. And so I like to have like a nice clean home. I want it to be homey for the kids, and so I want to get back to decorating during every holiday. So that's actually a part of my centerpiece. I add my vase, and then I'm going to add the candles. If you all like this, make sure you like and comment so that I know to keep creating content like this. Little dude, he was dead, so I decided to go ahead and smack him up because he reminded me of my dead relationship. And so now I'm going to place him, and then I'm going to show you all what the table looks like, or what the final thing looks like. Lights on and then lights off. Let me know what you think in the comments.